Hello everyone, this is the Lovelace family and we just got back from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, Margaritaville Island Hotel, one of our favorite places to stay. Absolutely love this hotel. We're going to show you the room, we're going to show you the amenities, we're going to show you the outside area, the bar area. We're going to show you it all. So just hang out with us, and also at the very end there will be a bonus. The water show at the very end. We'll show you one of the two shows. So just hang out to the very end and you get to see that as well. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. As soon as you come in over to the right, you will see the guest service area. Here you will check in. Over to the left, you'll have an area where normally there's a person working that will give you they sell tickets for other shows and events. At this particular time of the year, we actually got one free ticket if you wanted to purchase one. All you had to do is show them the ticket from the customer service and you would get the free show. They also have a Starbucks, which we'll go in and look at it a little bit closer. The entrance is very welcoming. You also have an opportunity to take a selfie right here, showing that you were at the Margaritaville in the Great Smoky Mountains. All right, we are in room 287, Riverview, Margaritaville Inn Hotel. I've got this already opened here, but coming into the room, we'll show you the room first, and then come back to the bathroom. My wife does have a wheelchair here, but a nice big spacious room in my opinion. As soon as you come in, you got a full mirror. Over here to the left, you got a desk, work area, and a TV on the left. Here you have plug-ins, USBs, kind of audio center area. You got desk, opens up, 3 shelves there, chair. Here you have gas logs, or maybe electric probably. Yeah, electric logs. Fireplace is off certain times of the year, May through October. All right, over to the left, a cool wet bar. And this room has 2 queen beds. Kind of giving you a look. Really like this room. We've had one like this before. It still looks really nice. A nice area to put your shoes on or sitting area there. Here you got a microwave, a full-size microwave, glasses, ice bucket, a sink, a coffee maker, a Keurig coffee maker. Plenty of storage underneath. As you can see, we've already got our snacks under here. Storage under here as well. Running water. Also comes out. Sprays as well. Really cool. You do not have, let me take that back. You have plugins on this side. Here's your light control. It's got a dimmer on it. The room is a little bit hot. Now it is July. I've cut it down to 68. It's 74 in here now. When you open these doors to go out, we have a river view. It sucks all the cool air out, so just be mindful of that. Let's look on the sides here. You got a clock radio, a telephone. Looks like you have plug-ins again here. Do not see USB, but we brought an adapter to plug in. Same on that side. You got a little storage closet. You got an iron, a ironing board, and then we got our luggage in here. You also got a TV stand here and a safe. All right, here's taking a look at the room again, and we're getting ready to go out and look at the balcony. You got these shady people out here.
Yes.
This is nice. The river is up. It rained a lot, and they're still calling for rain. So
It's trying to ask ChatGPT how deep it is.
that's not that deep. I mean, you can see the bottom when it's not raining a lot, but this is the size of the deck. It's pretty large, right? Probably 12 foot by 8 foot, if I had to guess. There's the main parking is over here on the other side. And then you come down this long walk. But this is a river view. It's very tranquil. And when the water's down, I've seen like Canadian geese out here eating and stuff. So we'll see if they come in the next couple of days, but it is a lot of rain. Oh, there is a herring right there. You see it right there. Yep. Maybe he's hoping some fish will come up. And then we're going to show you the rest of this hotel. Hang out with us as we check out the Smoky Mountains. They have a bar, a restaurant, a store, or Starbucks. And we're going to check it out. It's in July. It's hot. It's supposed to be hot, but we thought we'd do the river. You also have like a island view, but we chose the river view. Maybe it'd be more quiet. And this is nice and tranquil. Get you a margarita, a beer, sit out here late in the evenings. It's going to be all right. Yep. Let's check out the rest of this place. Let's go. All right, coming back. Just about forgot about it, but the bathroom. A nice big bathroom. You come in, got your hair dryer here on the left. There's your light completely. There's your night light at nighttime. We're going to go ahead and cut everything on here so you can take a look at it. Nice and large, wide, wheelchair easily, can get in and out of here. Got your towels at the bottom, toilet paper, towels over to the left. And a nice big sink. You got some courtesy cotton swabs, cleansing cloth, cotton rounds. There's hand wash, moisturizer, tissue. Nice big rain shower. You got from the top the rain shower and the regular shower head. And you got body wash, shampoo. What's this one? Conditioner. So here you can sit down as well. Shave your legs. If you're hot and you want to just cool down, I'm sitting right here now. And this is pretty nice. These rooms are not cheap, but they are nice. Right across from our room was laundry, also an ice machine, and a drink machine and snack machine. That is good and bad. On the second floor, as you're walking to the workout room and also to where the pool is located, this is where you'll see the island area of Margaritaville. And some of the rooms are facing these shop areas, as you can see the balconies here overlooking the island part. This is the fitness center. It is not very large at all. So just a heads up on that. They do have a machine here with some weights. They got a couple bicycles, treadmills, but it's not a very large area ahead of time. It does overlook the island, and they have a TV playing as well. It is very air conditioned as well. So if you get very hot, it is weather temperatured and cool. So just a heads up on that. They also have some free weights and a mirror. I'm not going to say very much here, just going to let you take a look at this upper area where the pool's at. Very nice views. It was kind of, cloudy this day. Also, towards the end of this video, I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like at nighttime, which is very beautiful with all the lights and the fountain shows going on. So just hang out with us here, take a look at it, soak it in, and we'll show you the rest at nighttime in this area. They do have a restaurant and bar here as well. So we're going to take a quick look at this, let you see what it looks like. We had a couple of drinks there. They were very nice. They had music playing outside as well. And then we're going to go back upstairs, show you what it looked like at nighttime, and also show you that final bonus of one of the fountain shows. This is the area just outside the bar where you can kind of hang out, listen to music. They had a gentleman here that was playing guitar and singing and had, background music playing. Really cool area here. This also extends around to the side of the building on to where the riverside is at. So that is where our room was earlier and what we were looking down at. You'll see that here. They had all these chairs turned over early in the morning because of the rain and the wind, but really cool atmosphere here. All right, here's a view at night of the pool area. There's the mountain wheel. All right, this is the island view. This is where they have the water show every 30 minutes. You can see some of the rooms here are the island view. Really cool area up here though on top. This is really the first night and our last night here, but we've enjoyed this before previously when we've been here. Thank you for checking out this video. If you've made it this far, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe here. We've got 3 days in the Smoky Mountains where we're going to check out shopping. We're going to do Cades Cove. We're going to Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. All kinds of food we're going to eat here. We're going to give you the reviews of all those places, including a very disappointing restaurant that's been pretty popular. So come out and hang with us. Thank you.